All right, today what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to check the tire pressure on your car, and then we're going to show you why you're going to check the tire pressure on your car. First thing you do is locate the valve stem, take the cap off of it, just unscrew it, set it off to the side. Take my tire pressure gauge. I'm going to put it on there and get a tire pressure off of it. Basically, it has 30 psi. Okay? Now, on the side of your tire, somewhere located on the side of the tire, will actually tell you what your tire pressure needs to be. Also, on the inside of the driver's door, we'll tell you what the tire pressure needs to be. The reason you need to know your tire pressure and have it adjusted, and you adjust it properly, is because of the tire wear. You can actually prolong the life of your tires by doing and keeping up with the tire pressure on them, by doing proper tire rotation. Also, here's the best thing for everybody, is the fact that if we keep our tire pressures inflated properly, you can actually get better fuel mileage, and therefore that saves you money. So keep up with the tire pressure and have fun.